The 2026 Audi Q3 continues to build on the success of its predecessors, offering a premium compact SUV experience that blends luxury, performance, and cutting-edge technology. Designed to cater to a diverse audience, from young professionals to small families, the latest iteration of Audi's best-selling SUV refines every detail, ensuring an unparalleled driving experience. Audi has refined the exterior of the 2026 Q3, giving it a more aggressive and modern stance while maintaining the brand's signature design language. The LED matrix headlights, now slimmer and more angular, seamlessly integrate with the hood's sculpted lines, lending the SUV a sharp, futuristic look. The side profile of the Q3 exhibits strong character lines that enhance aerodynamics and visual appeal. At the rear, OLED taillights create a distinctive lighting signature, with an optional dynamic light sequencing feature that activates upon locking and unlocking the vehicle. A revised bumper and integrated diffuser contribute to the SUV's sporty yet sophisticated look. Audi offers the 2026 Q3 in multiple powertrain configurations, catering to various driving preferences. The base model features a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine, producing 201 horsepower and 236 lb-ft of torque, paired with a 7-speed S-tronic dual-clutch automatic transmission. This setup ensures a smooth and responsive drive, ideal for urban commuting and highway cruising. For those seeking more performance, the Q3 S-Line variant gets an enhanced 252 HP version of the 2.0-liter engine, capable of accelerating from 0 to 60 mph in approximately 6.3 seconds. The Quattro all-wheel drive system is standard, ensuring superior grip and handling in various driving conditions. The plug-in hybrid, PHEV variant, labeled the Q3 45 TFSI-E, combines a 1.5-liter turbocharged engine with an electric motor to deliver 245 HP and 400 Nm 295 lb-ft of torque. This model boasts an electric-only range of approximately 40 miles, making it a practical choice for eco-conscious drivers. An RS Q3 performance model is also rumored, potentially featuring a 2.5-liter 5-cylinder turbocharged engine, producing around 400 HP and capable of a 0 to 60 mph sprint in under 4.5 seconds. Step inside the 2026 Audi Q3, and you're greeted with a completely digitalized cockpit that reflects Audi's futuristic design philosophy. The cabin features a 12.3-inch Audi Virtual Cockpit with a customizable interface, providing essential driving information with crisp clarity. Material quality in the Q3 is second to none, with premium materials such as fine Nappa leather, open-pore wood trim, and brushed aluminum. The ambient lighting system offers 30 customizable color options, enhancing the cabin's mood. Pricing is expected to start at $39,000 for the base premium trim, with the prestige trim reaching around $52,000. The plug-in hybrid variant may start at approximately $45,000, while the RS Q3, if released, could top $60,000. The 2026 Audi Q3 is a testament to Audi's commitment to innovation, offering a perfect blend of luxury, technology, and performance in a compact SUV package. With its refined design, powerful yet efficient powertrains, cutting-edge technology, and enhanced safety features, the Q3 remains a top contender in the premium compact SUV segment.